Let's take out the bubble machine gun from the packet. Here we have a bubble machine gun. You need 3 AA battery. Then press this switch. Here we have switch. You can see the voice of the gun. Basically we have a fan here, and you can see the air is actually taken from this hole section, and it will pass through here. Here we have a high velocity air. It will insert, that is from the atmosphere, and here we have a high velocity air. So on this technology it will work, and it will generate the bubble from this type of liquid. This is basically detergent liquid. So you can check this. Let's open the bubble machine gun. Here we have a total 6 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 small screw, 1 and 2. So you need 2 screwdriver, 1 and 2. So let's start. Remove the screw. So here we have a total 6 screw. First remove this cap. Let's see inside the cap. Here we have a fan, and this cap is basically used to dip. Here we have a detergent liquid, so here we can dip inside the container and it will catch the liquid. Now watch the complete video if you want to learn the whole technology, what is inside the bubble gun. So first remove this cap. This is basically, we can say, powerhouse. Here we have a total 3 battery. That size is AA 1.3 volt. So you need 3 batteries if you want to run this machine. The battery. So remove this cap first. Then remove this part. Basically you can see upper cap, and this is the part of the switch. So here very simple technology. Here we have a motor, and motor is directly connected to the fans. Here you can see we have 4 blades on the fan. Okay, and the motor is directly connected to the power supply. Here we have a power supply, and second wire is connected to this switch. So let's open the switch. So you can see this is the whole machine component. So yellow part is connected to the switch, and here black wire. So it's a push button type switch. You can see it's a push button type switch. So this is very simple technology, and you can even also take the part like a motor fan from the market, and you can, if you can design, or you can use the hollow pipe, and you can make this type of machines at your home. So this is the very simple technology. If you like this video, you can subscribe. If you love this type of technology and you want to learn in future, so you can subscribe this channel.